Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Emma and Ben. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. We're so happy you're here with us today.
In this podcast, we speak slowly, use simple English, and help you learn how to use real-life vocabulary and phrases.
That's right. We want you to feel relaxed, enjoy listening, and learn English in a fun way.
So, today's topic is one we use every day, talking about your day.
Yes, this is something you can talk about with friends, family, teachers, or even in English class or at work.
So, how are you today, Ben?
I'm doing great, thanks. I had a nice morning. How about you?
I'm good too. My morning was calm and peaceful. I made some tea, read a book, and then went for a walk.
That sounds so relaxing. I drank coffee, checked my emails, and then got started with work.
Let's teach our listeners how to talk about their day using easy English. We can start with the morning. What do you usually do in the morning, Ben?
Sure. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed, take a shower, brush my teeth, and then I eat breakfast.
What do you have for breakfast?
Usually toast and eggs, sometimes cereal or oatmeal. What about you?
I love oatmeal, but usually I drink tea and eat fruit or yogurt.
Sounds healthy.
After breakfast, I check my phone and then I start my work. I usually work from home.
Me too. My job is online, so I open my laptop and start at around 9 o'clock.
Let's move to the afternoon. What do you usually do?
Around 12:30, I eat lunch. Sometimes I make a sandwich. Sometimes I cook pasta or rice.
I like pasta too. After lunch, do you go back to work?
Yes, I usually work until 4 or 5 p.m. And you?
I teach English classes in the afternoon. I also write or make videos. Sometimes I take a short break and go outside.
That's a good idea. Getting fresh air helps your brain.
Let's talk about the evening now. What do you do when work is finished?
I usually go for a walk or exercise a little. Then I relax, watch TV, or listen to music.
Nice. I do yoga or cook dinner. I love cooking. I often make rice with vegetables or soup.
You're a great cook. I usually make simple food. And after dinner?
After dinner, I wash the dishes, take a shower, and maybe read a book or watch a movie.
Same here. And then I go to bed around 10 or 10:30 p.m.
Let's review some useful vocabulary and phrases from today's podcast.
Wake up, get out of bed, brush my teeth, take a shower, get dressed, eat breakfast, drink coffee or tea, start work, open my laptop, check my phone, take a break, go for a walk, get fresh air, eat lunch, cook, wash the dishes, do yoga, exercise, listen to music, watch TV, read a book, go to bed.
And some useful sentences. I usually wake up at 7. I work from home. I eat lunch at noon. I go for a walk in the evening. I relax and watch a movie. I go to sleep around 10.
Now it's your turn, friends. Let's practice. Try to answer these questions in English. What time do you wake up? What do you have for breakfast? What do you do in the afternoon? How do you relax in the evening? What time do you go to bed?
You can speak your answers out loud, write them down, or share them in the comments below. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you will become.
Emma, do you have a favorite part of your day?
Yes, I love the evening when I finish work and can relax. I light a candle, make tea, and read a book.
That sounds peaceful. For me, it's the morning. I like the quiet time with my coffee and fresh ideas.
That's a good tip for our listeners. Try to find your favorite part of the day and enjoy it. It helps with stress and happiness. Before we go, let's talk about weekends. Weekends are also part of our routine, right?
Yes, weekends are special. We can relax, have fun, or do something different.
Ben, what do you usually do on the weekend?
On Saturdays, I clean the house and go shopping. Then I meet friends or visit my family. On Sundays, I sleep in, read, or go to the park. And you?
That sounds lovely. On the weekend, I like to go to a cafe, write in my journal, and sometimes go for a short trip or a hike.
Nice. Hiking's great. So here are some good phrases to describe weekends. I clean the house. I go shopping. I sleep in. I go out with friends. I visit my parents. I relax at home. I take a trip. I go hiking. I do nothing.
Yes, and if you want to ask someone, you can say, "What do you usually do on the weekend?" Or, "Do you have any weekend plans?"
These are great for small talk with friends or coworkers.
All right, let's check your listening with a few questions.
Ready? You can pause the video after each question and try to answer. What does Ben do in the morning? What does Emma eat for breakfast?
What time do they go to bed? What does Ben do on the weekend? What does Emma enjoy doing in the evening?
Did you catch the answers? If not, it's okay. Rewind and listen again. That's how you improve.
If you're learning English, we're so proud of you. Listening to simple podcasts like this really helps you grow.
Yes, even 15 minutes of listening every day can help your vocabulary and confidence.
So keep listening, keep speaking, and don't worry if you make mistakes. That's part of learning.
You're doing great. You showed up today, and that's already a big win.
And now it's time to say goodbye, but we'll be back soon with another episode.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear about your daily routine in English.
Also, tell us, what topics do you want us to talk about next?
Thanks for joining us today, friends. Take care, keep practicing, and remember,
English is fun.
Bye!